A new COVID-19 variant, BA.3.2, nicknamed Cicada, is spreading in the US and globally, drawing attention for its high number of mutations. Symptoms remain similar to earlier Omicron strains, including sore throat, cough, fatigue, fever, and headaches, with most cases mild to moderate. While it may partially evade immunity, there is no clear evidence it causes more severe illness. Health experts advise continued caution, including vaccination and basic hygiene, as authorities closely monitor its spread and potential impact.